This is the final video you need to watch to fix the Counter-Strike 2 matchmaking failed error once and for all. Are you tired of seeing that annoying message every time you try to join a game with your friends? This problem usually happens because your game files or network settings have a small glitch that stops you from connecting to the official servers. Most other videos on YouTube are way too long or show confusing steps that just do not work for everyone. Here at Rexus, we make things simple and fast for you today. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error, and I guarantee that at least one of them will solve your problem, even if it seems impossible to fix right now. You should pause this video and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything important. I will not waste your time with long talks, so please pay close attention to the instructions. I have tested these tricks myself, and they work perfectly for players all around the world. Make sure you follow the method step by step exactly as they are showing on the screen right now.
True.